All new Ducati Streetfighter V4 in SP specification. The V4 SP2 is offered in a numbered version and is stamped on the handlebar, making each bike unique. The bike is wrapped in a special winter test livery, inspired by the Ducati MotoGP and SP race bikes. With matte carbon finish rims and wings, along with bright red accents and an exposed brushed aluminium fuel tank and radiator side covers. The SP2 makes 208 horsepower at 13,000 RPM and 123 Nm of torque at 9,500 RPM. And is equipped with the STM Evo SBK dry clutch and carbon fiber open clutch cover. The bike features semi-active Öhlins suspension and steering damper with Smart EC 2.0 interface. For braking 330mm dual discs in the front with Brembo Stelima R, 4-piston calipers and 245mm disc in the back with 2-piston calipers, along with Bosch cornering ABS. The SP2 also gets 5-spoke carbon fiber wheels, carbon fiber front mudguards, carbon fiber wings, adjustable billet aluminium rider foot pegs and carbon fiber heel guards. The bike has a curb weight of 196.5 kilograms.